Hello, everyone. How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? What's going on? Welcome back or welcome. So, today we are doing a deep cleaning on my refrigerator because it's, overdue. I haven't deep cleaned the refrigerator in a very, very long time. And I'm not going to go into details or anything about how long it's been. Just know it's been long, okay? So, we're going to get into this video, this clean with me. Hopefully this gives you the motivation or the, brain check to be like, oh, let me go ahead and clean out mine. It's past due too, sis. No worries. So here I am just removing everything, separating it as I remove it for the things that are still fresh and can still be held in the refrigerator, or for the things that need to be voted off the island and thrown in the trash. Okay? So don't talk about me, y'all, but we got this refrigerator when we moved in the house. Mind you, it was cleaned before we moved in, but there are some pieces missing. And I was like, let me look online to see if I can find them, like the crisper drawer. Why was that thing $60? Like, I'm not paying $60 for two drawers, because the drawer that we do have, the handle's broken and then one's missing. That's $120. There are some that were priced more. I feel like that's the value of the refrigerator at this point, and I'm not going to pay for that. I might as well just get a new refrigerator. So, budgeting, adulting, when those coins come or need to be resourced for that, they will be. So until then, we don't have any drawers. Now, I haven't looked at the railing for the door. I need to look that up to see how much that would cost so we can have more space for things in the refrigerator. But we make do with what we have, and it's been doing what it needs to do, which is keep the food cold and fresh a little longer. So I'm using the Mr. Clean sponge, some Clorox bleach spray. I got it before all this craziness started going down, stocking up. Thank goodness. But I just sprayed that in there, wiped it down, and then I'll go in with a damp paper towel to grab up any crumbs that the sponge couldn't pick up. So now I'm just cleaning the racks with the same sponge that has the Clorox bleach spray on it, as well as the glass cover and the drawer, so that they can be nice and clean when they get replaced back in the nice and clean and so fresh refrigerator. So now I'm just putting everything back that is not expired and it's still good. You'll see the refrigerator looks kind of empty. I haven't been grocery shopping in 2 weeks. Coming up this Sunday, I will be going grocery shopping, so the refrigerator will be back to its full glory. All of its gloriness, honey, all full. And me and David will be back to looking in there like, ooh, what's in here to eat? Like something's changed. And you know, nothing ever changes in the refrigerator after you've looked in it about 4 times, okay? So now we're gonna get into this freezer. It's a small freezer, and with all that's going on, organization is very important, especially when you're trying to hold things for 2 weeks. And I like to keep our fresh produce for smoothies in the freezer because of this reason, because I don't want it to go bad, especially because I'm not going shopping every week anymore. So yeah, we pack it in there. And of course, I like to keep all the raw meats on the bottom and everything else at the top. So putting everything back in there with a little sense of organization. Again, I'm going grocery shopping, so it'll all be rearranged anyways. Once I buy that new stuff to repack in there, you're probably thinking you can't fit nothing else in there. But listen, I will get it to fit, okay? It will fit, I promise you. I will make room. I will utilize play Tetris in the freezer, and we're gonna get it to work. Give a quick little wipe down on the outside, and thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Bye.